In my experience, ladies and gentlemen, finding a place that's gonna give you peace and tranquility is one of the most important things when you're looking for a home. In today's video, we're gonna be stepping inside of a custom home that is situated on 2.45 acres of land surrounded by nature. Let's go take a look, my friends. So ladies and gentlemen, before we step inside of this beautiful custom home, I want to make sure you have all the details on the property, the location, and what you're going to expect throughout the entirety of this video. So first and foremost, this home is located in St. Cloud, Florida, one of the most prosperous areas that has been growing over the past few years. This is very similar to what you're seeing in Kissimmee, Davenport, Lake Nona, and even some further out cities on the West Central Florida area. So here in St. Cloud, we're located only 30 minutes away from Lake Nona, where you're gonna have amazing amenities, luxury areas like the Lake Nona Adventure Park, the beautiful VA Medical Center. You're gonna have Eagle Creek, tons of golf courses, and lots of luxury commercial centers around there. We're also only about 35 minutes from downtown Orlando. We're 23 minutes from the Orlando International Airport. So if there is anybody that you need easy access to the airport, this is gonna be an incredible view for you in today's video. About 45 minutes east, we're gonna have Cocoa Beach and other beautiful beaches that we have here in Florida. And not to mention the parks and attractions of Orlando are only gonna be 30 to 35 minutes away from this specific house. Now, what I love most about this home is that you're gonna have a little bit of everything. You're located very closely to beautiful cities, beautiful amenities, beautiful luxury areas, but you're also in a secluded area where it's calm, quiet, and you can literally hear the nature around you. You're seeing a bunch of birds, you're seeing a bunch of families enjoying the outdoors, and for me, that's what I really think life is about. So in today's video, we're here at this home, and this home is surrounded by a few other properties that have the same style concept of living that this home provides. Now let's get a little bit more into this property. This is gonna be a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3,010 square foot home situated on 2.45 acres of land. What I'm excited to show you today is all of the beautiful finish that this home has to offer, the land, the ambiance and experience this property can give any homeowner in today's world. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead, step inside, get this tour started, get into the nitty-gritty details. But before we do, just want to invite you guys to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of the content we have coming out here in Central Florida. And by the way, my name is Renzo Montaiuti if anyone is new to this channel, and let's get it going. Come on. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, at the front of this home, and a few quick details. Right here, we're gonna have a window that is actually in the garage. So it's very unique, I think, to actually have a custom builder build a window for the garage. It's gonna bring in natural light, maybe get it air conditioned as well. So if you wanted to set up a workshop, that's a nice little addition for the property. Also, this is gonna be a concrete block and stucco home. So this thing is not moving or going anywhere. Concrete block is the bare minimum. And to be honest, as an investor, I wouldn't recommend buying anything that isn't concrete block and stucco here in Florida. So let's go ahead, step up here. We're gonna have the beautiful patio space right above with the brick pavers. You're gonna have nice pillars, a very long and extended patio. So if you wanted to relax on this side, read a book, drink a glass of wine, look at the beautiful view that this piece of land has to offer. This is an elegant touch that they added. You're gonna have extended space over here as well. So maybe you wanted to put a little pad down, relax, sleep, just feel the beautiful breeze coming onto you. That's exactly what this area has to offer. Let's get inside, my friends. Now, stepping into the home, we're gonna land ourselves directly into the living space. This is where you're gonna be able to lay out all your furniture in the beautiful different ways that you guys can do in a creative manner. Now here, we're also gonna have the nice tray ceilings above, beautiful 4 LED lights at each corner, and in the middle, you're gonna have a nice dynamic fan to bring a little bit more air into this space. Right across from the living room, we're gonna have this amazing kitchen space. You're gonna have the granite countertop, wood cabinets with the brown and wood offset colors. They're gonna all have the soft close, a gas stove, beautiful farmhouse sink right over here. And then back over here, we're also gonna have a pot filler right above the gas stove. Now, what I really love about this home is that they integrated it so this island in the kitchen is looking directly into the living space. If you're somebody that likes to cook, really like to spend time in the kitchen, this is gonna be amazing because your family's gonna be here in the living room. We can be cooking and just really having that time spent together, which I think is the most important thing for a family. So right over here, we're gonna find the nice stainless steel fridge by Whirlpool that is gonna be part of the home. And this is something, overall, this kitchen is, you're also gonna have the range right above the stove. You're gonna have the built-in microwave and stove. So that is what we got here in this kitchen. Right over here to the left, we're gonna have the pantry space that is also gonna have a wine chiller. You're gonna have a ton of good space and already built-in cabinetry, which is something a little extra that touches up this property. Now we're gonna go over here across the living space and get started in some of the bedrooms in the corners. So this is gonna be the first room that's gonna be facing the north side of the home. This is gonna be about 12 by 11 feet. This window is gonna be right here by the right side of the patio, brings in tons of natural light. Over here, you're gonna have your own private bathroom. So this is perfect if maybe you have a family member or a child that wants something a little bit more secluded or private. This is gonna be perfect for them. In this bathroom, you're gonna have granite countertop, same type of flooring. You're gonna have your toilet and walk-in shower, which is a very big plus for a guest bedroom. Typically, we see bathtubs. In this home, it's gonna be a nice walk-in shower. Now we're gonna go across into the other corner and we're gonna step into the master bedroom. Now, when we're stepping into this master bedroom, first thing you notice is just, you're gonna have these beautiful tray ceilings above, same LED lights in each corner, different fan fixture, which to me, this one looks a little bit more elegant. You're gonna have nice skylight windows right above the bed area. You're gonna have a beautiful double window as well looking into the backyard. And over here, we're gonna step into the master bathroom. So stepping into the master bathroom, the first things we're gonna have here is the beautiful integrated walk-in shower with the tub. So you're gonna have the walk-in shower right here, and then right across from it, you're gonna have the beautiful tub. So if you wanted to come, take a shower, and then, or take a bath and then get in the shower, clean yourself off, you're gonna be able to do that. What I also love is you're gonna have the same light coming in, so it gives you a little bit of that just extra energy coming into the bathroom. On this side, we're gonna have our linen closet, double vanity sinks over here with quartz countertop. We're gonna have the wood cabinets down below. Right over here, we're gonna have the private toilet space with a nice window coming with it. And then over here, we're gonna have a barn door opening into the master closet. So here in this master closet, you're gonna have plenty of space, built-in cabinetry, all of the above. So as you can see, they have utilized a lot of the space, and it seems like they still have a lot of space that they can use as well. Now we're gonna go over to the other corner of the house, take a look at another 2 guest bedrooms, and then we're gonna have a little extra special feature upstairs I'm excited to show you guys. Now, stepping into this corner of the home, we're gonna have 2 guest bedrooms and 1 bathroom split in between them that is gonna be shared between these 2 rooms. So first things first, getting into this room, this is gonna be another 12 by 11 bedroom. We're already gonna have paint. This is gonna have a window overlooking the west side of the home. You're gonna have a walk-in closet right over here. Nice fan fixture already coming with the room, and that is what we got. Now, if we go directly across the hall, we're gonna find ourselves in another bedroom that is gonna have a window facing the same way, west side, walk-in closet, similar, you're gonna have the same scattered tile flooring, and that is it. Now, in between these 2 bedrooms, we're gonna have this really, really elegant bathroom with the quartz countertop, cabinetry, walk-in shower, and nice natural light coming into this bathroom. Now, in the other corner of this house, so we've already touched on the first, second, third, And now we're going into the fourth corner of the house. And here we're gonna find the laundry room. So here we're gonna have the laundry room with different tile floorings. You're gonna have the washer and dryer right over here. You're also gonna have your AC unit. Here you're gonna have a little sink, which is nice cabinet space above. So this is more than just a typical laundry room. You're gonna have extra cabinet space to do a few extra activities. Now, let's go upstairs. Stepping upstairs, we're gonna have a quick transition from the ceramic tile into the luxury vinyl plank flooring up here. Now, what they did with this space, with this extra little flex room that they have, is they turned this into a beautiful movie theater area. So right up here, you obviously have all the space you want to do with this, but right here, you're gonna have the theater room, which essentially, you know, instead of going to the movies, you get your family up here, get some popcorn, and really have a night out of it. You got the surround sound speakers, and perfect. So all in all, this is a beautiful space that just gives you a lot of opportunity to get creative. Now we're gonna go downstairs, take a quick right turn, and step into the 3-car garage. Let's go. Now, stepping out into the 3-car garage, what I really like, and what I kind of mentioned in the beginning of the video, is that you're gonna have a lot of natural light coming in here, and as well, you're gonna have this 3-car tandem space. So as you can see, the current homeowners are currently using this as an extra gym, weight room space, and really just keep their physical health up. Like I mentioned, here you got the window space looking into the front of the home, but let's go ahead and step out back and take a look at the backyard. Now, stepping out of the garage here, we're gonna have the motor court area. You're gonna have the brick pavers as well. And we're gonna take a quick lap around, take a look at this beautiful backyard, and also the back patio space. So here we are stepping into the back patio space. You're gonna have the nice brick pavers, ping pong table, outdoor kitchen, TV. This is the perfect setup to watch the NBA finals, my friends. I really can't find a better place than this, but this just shows you the opportunity you have in a property like this. So here you're gonna have a lot of space. It's completely screened in, so all the bugs are staying outside and the people enjoying the space are inside. You're gonna have the nice grill, little refrigerator down below, and a nice island just to get all the cooking and cutting done right up here. Over here, they already have their TV set up. Nice area just to enjoy, relax, watch the game, and get your mind free. Let's get outside again. Stepping out from the back patio, now we're going into the extra acreage that this land has to offer. In my opinion, this is what really attracts me. The home is absolutely beautiful, but the land is even prettier. Nature is always gonna be something important. Over there, we're gonna have a nice little shed area. So if you have extra storage, you know, if you wanna cut your own lawn, whatever it is, you have your shed space over there. Here, we're gonna have the nice pebble fire pit area that you can relax, enjoy with your friends. You have some nice lighting as well. And this is what it's really all about. So integrating some of the outdoors environment here on this property. Over there, you're gonna have a bench that's gonna have a nice cover. And all in all, this is just opportunity to build something the way you want it. If you want an Olympic-sized pool in this backyard, you can absolutely do so. If you want a soccer field, basketball court, you have all those opportunities back here, and that's what it's all about. It's about opportunity. My friends, I hope you have enjoyed this tour. Please let me know what you think about this property, the video, and any questions or comments you may have. And last but not least, I want to leave you off with the list price on this home, and it is $1,025,000. The sellers are currently saying if someone comes with a full price offer, they will give $25,000 in closing cost incentives. And that is it for me today. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to go to some of my past videos where I'm showcasing a bunch of different style of homes, areas, and communities here in the Central Florida area. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.